10 ultra-rare Harley-Davidsons for sale right now.
Number 1. 1941 Harley-Davidson FL, $75,000. This legendary 1941 FL is more than a motorcycle. It's a time-traveling artifact preserved by a man who bought it in 1949 and held onto it for 74 years. With only about 2,300 units ever produced, this first-year 74 CI Knucklehead is one of the rarest surviving pieces of Harley history. Its restoration began decades ago, paused for 15 years in a climate-controlled man cave, then finally completed in 2025. Nearly everything is original: the die-bent frame, straight-leg springer, linkered M75 carb, and matching belly numbers. Now fully revived, it runs, shifts, and stops exactly as a true survivor should. The chrome sat wrapped in paper for decades, the paint is over 25 years old, and the character is untouched. This is the kind of Harley that rarely escapes private collections, an authentic treasure for serious collectors only. Number 2. 1956 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $15,000. This 1956 Panhead stands strong with a matching belly, fully rebuilt engine and transmission nestled inside a 1958 Duo Glide drop seat chassis. Every part feels renewed, from the rebuilt internals to the upgraded shovel swing arm and disc brakes, giving this vintage bike the function of a more modern ride without losing its old-school soul. With a clean title and a clean build, this Panhead is ready for the road. It's the perfect blend of history and dependability, classic lines, rebuilt power, and the unmistakable heartbeat of a true mid-century Harley. Cash in hand will take it home. Number 3. 1958 Harley-Davidson Duo Glide, $18,500. This 1958 Panhead Duo Glide is a smooth-running machine known for starting easily, one prime, one kick, and it's alive. It runs clean, smoke-free, and steady, proving the quality of its build and maintenance. Its reputation is strong enough that it was recently featured on Wheels Through Time, a museum that showcases only the most authentic American motorcycles. This is a Panhead for purists, powerful, honest, and mechanically tight. Whether you're buying for riding or collecting, this machine carries the spirit of the late 50s with every rumble of its engine. Partial trades for early Shovelheads are even on the table. Number 4. 1982 FXB Sturgis, $16,999. This rare 1982 FXB Sturgis stands as a symbol of Harley's early 80s revival era, wrapped in a brown and gold finish that turns heads instantly. With only 9,090 original miles, it's a well-preserved example of a model that's getting harder to find each year. Registered, clean titled, and ready to ship nationwide with insured delivery options. Its condition is solid, and its rarity makes it a standout in the FXB lineup. For collectors or riders looking for a unique Sturgis with classic styling and authentic factory DNA, this bike checks all the boxes. Number 5. 1981 Harley-Davidson FXE, $7,000. This 1981 FXE is a straightforward, no-nonsense Harley built to ride. It runs, it rides, and it delivers that raw shovelhead attitude without any complications. For those looking to step into the world of classic Harleys without breaking the bank, this is one of the best deals out there. With a bill of sale, registration, and a ready-to-ride setup, this FXE is perfect for riders who want the old-school experience at a reasonable price. Simple, honest, and built with purpose. This is exactly how a classic Harley should feel. Number 6. 1929 Harley-Davidson JD, $17,500. This 1929 JD is a survivor from the early days of American motorcycling. Unrestored, untouched, and displayed as garage art, it carries nearly a century of history in its bones. The engine was last known running in the 1970s, but no mechanical work has been done since. This is truly a collector's time capsule piece. What you see is exactly what you get: authenticity, originality, and raw 1920s engineering. Ideal for display, restoration, or preservation, this JD is for buyers who appreciate historical motorcycles in their purest form. Number 7. 1954 Harley-Davidson 165 50th Anniversary, $6,950. Professionally restored to perfection, this 1954 Harley 165 celebrates Harley-Davidson's 50th anniversary in flawless detail. Every bolt, nut, and finish is accurate to its original form. For the last 15 years, it has been used only as a showroom display piece, preserving its pristine condition. Compact, iconic, and full of nostalgic charm, this motorcycle makes a perfect display piece for a home, shop, or business. It's small in size but huge in presence, an eye-catcher anywhere it sits. Number 8. 1973 Harley-Davidson FX Chopper/Bobber, $7,500. This 1973 FX Chopper is built to be aggressive, with an 88-inch Sidewinder kit, S&S Super E carb, open primary, shotgun exhaust, and a raw steel tank finished in vice grip garage shine. It's unapologetically bold. A Springer front end, chrome swing arm, new tires, and jockey shift complete the look. This machine doesn't just run, it rips. Matching numbers, clean title, and a fresh build make it ready for the next rider who wants a chopper with attitude. Trades welcome, especially for mini trucks or unique builds. Number 9. 1996 Custom Motorcycle. This 1996 custom motorcycle isn't just a build, it's a statement carved out of steel, fire, and attitude. Unlike factory Harleys, this machine breaks every rule and refuses to apologize for it. The deep red paint glows like hot metal under a welding torch, and every curve of the frame feels handcrafted with intention, not convenience. This bike wasn't built for beginners or casual riders, it was engineered for someone who wants to be seen, heard, and remembered. A machine like this doesn't blend into traffic, it dominates it. Every bolt, every line, every modification screams one message: this isn't a motorcycle, it's an identity. Underneath that bold exterior sits a brutal mix of custom engineering and raw horsepower. The sound alone tells you it wasn't built for comfort, it was built to unleash chaos, in the best way. The seller doesn't give many details, but that silence makes it even more mysterious, almost challenging you to discover its true character for yourself. Custom bikes like this often carry years of stories, burnouts, road scars, and late-night wrenching sessions. And whether you ride it or simply admire it, one thing is certain: this 1996 custom build stands on its own as a one-of-one creation. Fearless, unapologetic, and ready for the next rider who's bold enough to tame it. Number 10. 1974 Harley-Davidson Shovelheads Sidecar, $17,000. This award-winning 1974 Shovelhead sidecar machine is truly one of a kind. It took home the Ditzler Paint Award at the Daytona Bike Show thanks to its stunning custom paint and show-level craftsmanship. Though the sidecar is currently detached, the bike still runs strong and carries its show history proudly. With the matching fender included and only needing a wheel and tire for the sidecar, this bike is a rare opportunity for collectors of unique Harley builds. Bold, beautiful, and full of character, this Shovelhead stands in a class of its own. If these legendary machines got your heart racing, then buckle up because more rare Harley finds drop on this channel every single week. Don't just watch, join the crew. Hit that subscribe button right now, smash the like, and let me know in the comments which bike stole your soul today. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The hunt for the next rare Harley starts now.